In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Shopify domain in Google Merchant Center. Verifying and claiming your website in Google Merchant Center is essential for running shopping ads and ensuring your product data is trusted. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups so you can get verified quickly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Merchant Center. Click the official Google Merchant Center result and sign in. Make sure you're using the same Google account that manages your Merchant Center, so everything shows up correctly once you're inside. Once you're in, head to the Settings area and open Business Information. In the Website section, you'll see an option to confirm your online store. Choose the method that says Add an HTML tag or upload an HTML file and select Add an HTML tag. Google will display a meta tag specifically for your account. Copy the entire tag exactly as it appears. You'll paste this into your Shopify theme in just a moment. Now switch over to your Shopify admin and log in. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then Themes. On your active theme, click the three dots or the Actions button and choose Edit Code. In the left sidebar, under the Layout folder, open the theme, Liquid File. Inside that file, locate the opening head tag. Paste the meta tag you copied from Google immediately below that head tag. This placement is important because Google looks for it in the head section of your site. Click Save to publish the change. A couple of quick tips here. Make sure you're editing the currently published theme, since unpublished themes won't be visible to Google. Also, paste the tag exactly as provided. Don't modify it. And keep it in the head, not the body. If your store is password protected, verification may fail until the password page is removed or bypassed. Head back to Google Merchant Center, return to the website area, and click Verify Website. This can take a few moments. If verification doesn't succeed, refresh your storefront to confirm the tag is live, clear any caching if you use a performance app, and try again. Once verification is successful, click Claim Website to finalize it. Claiming prevents other accounts from claiming the same URL and completes the process. That's it. Your Shopify domain is now verified and claimed in Google Merchant Center, unlocking accurate tracking and eligibility for shopping features. Keep the meta tag in place to maintain verification, and you'll be good to go.